Douglas. Somebody's under the chair, huh? Doug. Hey. I think somebody's in trouble. Look what Mommy found. A very, very nice shoe. All torn to... Hey. Doug. Douglas. Did you eat Mommy's shoe? Huh? Doug. Did you eat Mommy's shoe? Dottie. I'm gonna guess Douglas. She always was guilty, but she didn't. Doug. What's this? Huh? Are you a guilty boy? You can stay under the chair all day? Doug. What happened here? What happened to Mommy's shoe? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought.